Have you ever seen a plant that looks like a cactus but actually isn't? This plant can even produce a milky sap that may cause skin irritation. In today's video, we're going to explore the truth about Euphorbia Trigona, its secrets, care tips, and hidden dangers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a unique and popular plant called Euphorbia Trigona, also known as the African milk tree. Many people think it's a cactus, but it actually belongs to a completely different family. If we take a closer look, it has upright, triangular stems with small thorns. Leaves grow mainly at the top. The color is green, sometimes with reddish edges. One of its most distinctive features is the white milky sap that comes out when the plant is cut. Here are some interesting facts about Euphorbia Trigona. It's not a true cactus. It originates from Africa. It can grow several meters tall. It's widely used as an ornamental plant. That's why it's so popular for home decoration. But be careful. The white sap can cause skin irritation, itching, serious problems if it gets into your eyes. So always handle this plant carefully and use gloves if needed. Taking care of Euphorbia Trigona is quite easy. Place it in bright sunlight. Water it moderately. Don't overwater. Use well-draining soil. It's a perfect plant for beginners. If you want to propagate it, cut a stem, let it dry for a few days, then plant it in soil. In a few weeks, roots will start to grow. Extra tips: avoid excessive watering. Keep it away from kids and pets. Remove dry or damaged leaves. With proper care, this plant will grow beautifully. So that's everything you need to know about Euphorbia Trigona, a unique plant that looks like a cactus, but has its own hidden dangers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.